Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Quick Class, where every lesson helps you speak better English. My name is John.
And my name is Emily. Hi, John. How are you today?
I am doing really well, Emily. Actually, something funny happened to me this morning.
Oh, tell me, what happened?
I was making breakfast alone in my kitchen, and I was talking out loud to nobody.
Talking to nobody? What were you saying?
Things like, okay, now I need 2 eggs. Where is the pan? The pan is right there, all in English, by myself.
John, that is actually brilliant.
My cat gave me a very strange look.
Your cat does not understand English yet, but your brain does. You were practicing without even knowing it.
I was practicing?
Absolutely. And that is exactly what today's lesson is about.
Perfect timing then. What is our topic today, Emily?
Today, we are answering one of the most common questions we hear from our listeners. They say, I really want to speak English, but I have no one to practice with. I have no time. I have no opportunity.
Yes, I hear this all the time. No partner, no class, no chance to practice.
But what if I told you that you can practice speaking English every single day with just 10 minutes?
Only 10 minutes?
Only 10 minutes. That is all you need to start making real progress.
But can 10 minutes really make a difference?
Think about it, John. 10 minutes a day, 7 days a week. That is 70 minutes of speaking practice every single week.
70 minutes? That is more than 1 hour.
And most English learners practice speaking 0 minutes a week. So 10 minutes a day is a massive improvement.
0 to 70. That is a huge change.
Today, we have 5 simple methods, 5 easy ways to practice speaking English in just 10 minutes a day.
And we will also talk about something very important: self-discipline.
Yes, self-discipline means you do something every single day, even when you are tired, even when you do not feel like it. You do it anyway.
That sounds hard.
It can be hard at first, but today we will make it much easier. I promise.
Okay, 5 methods. Let us go. But first, a small request from both of us.
Yes, if this lesson helps you, please like this video and subscribe to Quick Class. It really helps us reach more people who are learning English just like you.
And leave us a comment at the end. We have a question for you. Now, let us start.
So, John, the big problem for most English learners is this. They study, they read, they listen, but they never actually speak.
I know this problem. I used to read a lot and listen a lot, but speaking, not so much.
And why not?
I think because I was nervous, and I felt like I had nobody to practice with.
Those are the 2 most common reasons. But here is the truth. You do not need another person to practice speaking English. You can practice completely alone, and you only need 10 minutes.
Okay, show me how.
Method 1. Talk to yourself out loud.
Like I did this morning with the eggs.
Exactly like that. When you are alone, speak English out loud. Say what you are doing. Say what you are thinking. Out loud, not in your head.
Not in my head. Out loud.
This is very important. Your mouth needs practice. Your tongue needs practice. Speaking is a physical skill, like playing an instrument.
I never thought about it that way.
Think about a piano player. They do not just think about music. They move their fingers every single day. Speaking English is exactly the same.
So, my mouth is like a muscle?
Yes, and muscles need exercise every day. When you talk out loud, you train your mouth to produce English sounds automatically.
What should I talk about?
Anything. You are cooking, say, I am cutting the vegetables. Now I am adding oil to the pan. You are walking, say, I am walking to the bus stop. The weather is nice today.
Just describe what I am doing?
Simple sentences. Present tense. What you see, what you do, what you feel. Let me try right now. I am sitting in a chair. I am talking to Emily. The room is warm. I feel happy.
Perfect. 4 sentences. All easy, all real.
And nobody needs to hear you. Just you and your voice. Do this for 2 minutes every day. That is method 1.
2 minutes of talking to myself? I can do that.
Method 2. The mirror method.
The mirror method? What is that?
Stand in front of a mirror and speak English to yourself. Look at your own face and speak.
That sounds a little strange.
It feels strange at first, but it is incredibly powerful. Do you know why?
Tell me.
Because when you look in the mirror, you see your mouth, your face, your eyes, and you become more comfortable with yourself speaking English. Many learners feel embarrassed when they speak. The mirror helps you get used to the feeling.
You practice the feeling, not just the words.
Exactly. And you can also watch your mouth. Are your lips moving enough? Is your mouth open enough? English needs clear mouth movements.
So the mirror is like a free teacher.
A free teacher in your bathroom every single morning. Tomorrow morning, after you brush your teeth, speak to the mirror for 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Mirror method. I will do it.
Method 3. Shadow a speaker.
Shadow. Like a shadow on the ground?
Good connection. A shadow follows you. It copies your movement. In the same way, you follow a speaker. You copy their words.
I copy exactly what they say.
Yes, you listen to English, a podcast, a video, a movie, and you repeat the words right after the speaker, almost at the same time. Same speed, same sound, same feeling.
Can I try right now?
Yes, I will say a sentence. You shadow me. Ready?
Ready.
I enjoy learning something new every single day.
I enjoy learning something new every single day.
Did you notice? You copied my speed. You copied my sound. That is shadowing.
That felt really good.
Shadowing connects your listening and your speaking at the same time. You hear it, you say it. Your pronunciation improves very fast.
I can shadow quick class videos.
That is a perfect idea. Pause, repeat, play again. Pause, repeat. 3 minutes of shadowing every day.
Method 3. Shadow a speaker. Listen, repeat, copy the sound.
Method 4. Describe your world.
Describe my world? What does that mean?
Look around you right now and say everything you see in English, like a game.
Okay, let me try. I see a table, a wooden table. There are 2 cups on the table. One cup is white. There is a window. I can see the sky outside. The sky is blue today.
Wonderful! You just spoke 6 sentences in about 15 seconds.
That was fast.
And you can do this anywhere. In your kitchen, on the bus, at the supermarket, in the park.
What would I say at the supermarket?
You say, I see red apples. There are many bananas. The milk is on the left side. A woman is choosing bread.
People will think I am strange talking about bananas.
You can whisper quietly, but out loud is always better for your practice.
The bananas will not mind.
The best part is you need 0 preparation. Your world is always there. Just open your eyes and describe what you see.
No books, no apps, no internet. Just my eyes and my mouth.
Exactly. 2 minutes. Look around, describe everything. Colors, people, actions. Your world is your classroom.
Method 4. Describe your world. Look, see, say it in English.
And now our final method. Method 5. This one is about self-discipline.
The hard part.
It does not have to be hard. Method 5 is use a timer.
A timer on my phone?
Yes, set a timer for 10 minutes. And for those 10 minutes, you only speak English. No phone scrolling, no distractions. Just you and English.
Only 10 minutes.
But they are focused minutes. Focused means all your attention is on one thing. 10 focused minutes is much more powerful than 1 hour of half listening, half studying.
So what do I do in those 10 minutes?
You combine all 4 methods. 2 minutes, talk to yourself. 2 minutes, mirror method. 3 minutes, shadow a speaker. 3 minutes, describe your world. That is exactly 10 minutes.
So I combine everything into one session.
One 10-minute session every single day. Same time, same place. This is the secret of self-discipline.
Same time, same place, every day.
For example, every morning at 7:30 in your bedroom before breakfast. You set the timer, you start. When the timer rings, you stop.
And I do this every single day, even when I am tired?
Especially when you are tired. Self-discipline is not about feeling motivated. Self-discipline is about doing it anyway.
Doing it anyway, even when I do not feel like it.
Think about brushing your teeth. Do you always feel excited to brush your teeth?
Never, actually.
But you do it every day anyway, because it is your routine. English practice can be exactly the same.
My 10-minute English routine.
After 2 weeks, it becomes normal. After 1 month, it becomes automatic. You do not think about it. You just do it.
Discipline builds the habit. The habit builds the English.
I love that, John. Exactly right.
Method 5. Use a timer. 10 focused minutes. Same time every day.
Okay, John, let us review our 5 methods.
Method 1. Talk to yourself. Speak English out loud. Describe what you are doing. Train your mouth like a muscle.
Method 2, the mirror method. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak English. Watch your mouth. Build your confidence.
Method 3. Shadow a speaker. Listen to English. Repeat the words. Copy the speed and the sound.
Method 4. Describe your world. Look around. Say what you see. Colors, people, actions. Your world is your classroom.
Method 5. Use a timer. 10 focused minutes. Same time, same place. Every single day. Self-discipline builds the habit.
You do not need money. You do not need a classroom. You do not need a language partner.
You just need your voice and 10 minutes.
10 minutes can change your English. Small daily practice makes big improvement over time.
I am going to start my 10-minute routine tomorrow morning.
And we believe every single person watching this can do it too. You can do it. Start speaking today. Even one sentence is a wonderful beginning.
That is all for today on Quick Class. Thank you so much for watching.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was a wonderful lesson today.
Please subscribe to Quick Class and give this video a like. Share it with a friend who is learning English.
And we have a question for you today. Leave a comment below and tell us, what will you talk about in your very first 10-minute English practice session?
Will you describe your room, talk about your morning, or shadow a speaker?
We would love to read your answers. John and Emily read every single comment.
See you in the next class.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking.